What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us. And today I'm going to review a Malayalam movie, Mariam Vanu Vilakutti. The story is very good. Actually, even though if they are beginners, I really like it because this is the first comedy movie that I have watched that there is no lead actress. Only the male protagonists are there, and the story revolves around them. It will take you back to your childhood life, and especially when you are carefree and you were in school. That's how the story starts with. So Umman, Balu, and Addu, they are in the same class, sharing the same bench, and as usual, while the teacher is always teaching, these three are always busy in their own game and taking turns to play. And it will take you back to your childhood when you were busy sharing the same notebook with your friends. Okay, it is your turn and it is my turn, but who will have the last laugh and last move is Roni, a new entry in the class, the guy who will shake the foundation of all the students, and he is the troublemaker there. But in the end, what happens is that instead of he getting blamed for anything, Roni is smoothly making his way into this. And now he started his moves and playing all the odd tactics to drive all the friendship circle of him and getting their interest in whatever he does. So that's how he makes his entry very powerful. And the childhood just passed by, and all the things that they did, it will always be there, and you will always enjoy the things that you do in the. They are all grown up, and three of them have been separated, and they are friends because they were the first who were together. So Umman, Ballu, and Addu, they were now in the company Minerva Biochemicals, and they are the bad apple of the company, and they are like quitters. And every time, it will also take you back into your workplace where your boss is always getting angry at the things that you are doing. The one is always watching movies or even listening movies while he is at workplace. The other one is always spoiling the toilet, and as usual, you can see that what the guys does with the bubble gum over there, it's also there. And the third guy is always busy in his own mischievous things. So during the meeting, they are not being applauded by others, and they are very tired of their life. And suddenly, someone shows up, entry into their team, and they were surprised to see that Roni is once again here. So definitely, they will have a little bite of life here from the boss, and especially they have been having a hard time. So now what happens? There is a good guy. Definitely, whenever the bad guys are there, there is always one good guy and an apple of the eye of the company and everything. His name is Unni Krishna, Nambutri. So Unni Krishna is always busy in his things, and he is very diligent and nice person, always busy in his work. But these three guys, they said, how can you make the spot and staying out of all this, what we are going through? He said, that's my life. He said, blah, blah, blah. He just wanted to avoid them. And then now they have Roni here, and they said, Roni, let's figure it out, how to get rid of this guy, because we cannot change. Why not we change this? So once Roni is there, now he knows that Una Krishnan. Now Roni is here, and he knows that Una Krishnan Nambutri, his birthday is coming, and he said that definitely we are going to celebrate your birthday at your home. And he said, how you will celebrate my birthday while I have a very stern mother, and she's a former headmistress, and Mariam George, she is there. I said, we will be like a paying guest, and it will just somehow benefit your house. I said, okay. So now the story starts. Whatever happens, from pizza guy to pizza delivery guy to everything that is happening in the house, from electric shock to the things that they are doing, and the box that they have opened it, everything is a mystery, and it will create more chaos in the house. So now you will see that who is being kidnapped and put in the toilet. You will find out who is that person and how the cops came into his house. The story revolves around those four walls. So that is a very weak part of the story that you will find out, and later you will see that they will try to play prank and how to get rid of the situation. So overall, it is good to watch. Good, their effort should be appreciated, and I hope you really like this. So if you have any other movie that is worth watchable on a Amazon Prime or Netflix, anything, whatever, just kindly recommend. Thank you so much for being with me, and I hope you will really enjoy their troubles and chaos. So have a great week. Bye bye.